The kitchen is a very practical space at home. A lot goes on here. Won't it be great to have everything in its place? Hey, and welcome back to IKEA 101. Let's look at these drawers. We have pots and pans all stacked up and not very organized. So what can we do to make this space look better? Introducing the pegboard drawer organizer. You can just place it into your drawer like this and place your pots and pans in a neat and organized way. See, doesn't that look better now? This adjustable divider helps you to organize contents inside your drawer like plates, bowls and tableware from sliding around and bumping into each other. The series has many options to organize your drawer in the best possible way for your cutleries, spices and other kitchen accessories. So now it's time to have that perfect solution in your kitchen. Until next time, bye.